Don't screw it up.
Hi, I'm Blizzard, and Lightning is the one that has the camera.
Yes.
Hi, Lightning. And Lightning, I know what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna eat some cashew brittle and Triscuit with Nutella and milk.
I want to get a close-up on everything so people know exactly what you're eating.
Nutella.
Nutella. You have to prove they're Triscuits.
Oh, yeah. Triscuits and cashew brittle.
Like you can see through that thing.
Alright, and cashew brittle. Alright, I'm trying cashew brittle first. Let's just get a whole bunch on there. That's good. Alright. After I digest this, I will eat the Triscuit.
After you digest it?
After it goes down. Oh, I need milk. Oh my gosh, actually this is pretty good together. Now I'll eat the Triscuit. Yeah! Don't fall, brittle. Hey. It's so weird, but I hope it's so good. I have a weird taste. It has a weird taste, but it's like kind of good. Like, it's insanely good. Like, it's nasty, but you like might not run to try this unless you have a cashew brittle. Yeah.
Sorry, we're still sick.
Oh yeah. Well, wouldn't it just be easier to eat it on with this? I'm just letting you know, no one's gonna eat this after. The only reason why we're using it is because nobody in our family likes it.
That includes me. I don't like peanut butter, so.
Nutella is not the same thing as peanut butter, but she thinks it is.
I don't care. It's the same to me.
It smells like melted chocolate.
Yeah. I don't like chocolate either.
This is like really awkward and like yummy at the same time. Like what's weird is that I'm being filmed doing this.
Mm-hmm.
Like so, like maybe like on the internet or like people can actually click on this video and go like, oh my gosh, what is she eating? No. From what?
What?
From lunch. People are gonna think I'm weird.
Hey Blizzard.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me something.
What?
Where's Perry?
On TV.
Oh.
Yes.
You probably can't see this on camera. That's a big blur. That sucks. Oh well, Perry's on TV. Just take our word for it.
Yeah. We're watching Phineas and Ferb right now.
For some reason.
Ugh, I'm not eating any more of those Triscuits. Those are nasty.
And I wasn't the one eating them.
I said I'm not.
I know.
I was still better than Nutella. This like Fritos really good. Where'd you get it?
Rabbi and Miriam gave it to us.
Oh, it did.
No one's gonna have any idea what we're talking about.
Yeah, we're Jewish.
Yes.
Yeah. That's Friday.
We didn't go to church though, because we're sick.
Everyone, who goes to church when they're sick? Like,
Rude people. Rude people. Sorry.
That's so weird. Well, other people go to school when they're sick, and they say that they're fine. And they're like, oh, it's no big deal. But then you go to school sick, and they're like, you really shouldn't do that.
Nope.
Like, it's weird how they do that.
Mhm.
I'm like, what the heck? I'm gonna need water after this.
I thought you had the strawberry milk.
I drink it all right now.
Aw.
Actually, cheesecake tasted nasty the second time. Are you still videotaping me eating this?
Uh-huh.
Not what the camera to you.
Look, sock monkeys.
Oh yeah. I actually stained one of the sock monkeys with a smoothie. I didn't mean to. It was an accident. I'm sorry. I know, I'm bad child, but I couldn't help it. That smoothie was just so delicious. I don't gonna regret this later on, but I don't even care. Like, right now, it's just too yummy. Like, peanut brittle is really, cashew brittle, but the best.
I didn't like it. It was gross.
Ow! What, you think it's too sweet?
I don't know, but I know I like cashews, so I thought I'd like it, but I didn't.
That really worked. Damn, I need water. Can you hand me my water bottle? My water bottle.
I heard what you said. Deary Lou.
It's a cheerful font.
You borrowed it from my mom. I'm not even kidding, she did.
Let me do a noise right now. Dude, like all of my teeth. And for all my friends that are watching out here, yeah, I really do this sometimes. It's like, if I touch you, you might want to be careful.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm good. I can eat more now. This is my new food now. I'm gonna like try living off of this tomorrow or whenever. Dude, we're like faced with a really tough decision. Okay. So we have this friend, Isabel, and she like invited us to a party. And like, I dropped the incredible pizza place. Here's the thing. Lightning wants to go because Lightning was invited. Lightning would go if Blizzard was coming with me. But other than that, it would be like totally boring.
Isabel's nothing like us.
Yeah, so it's kind of hard.
She's really, really girly, and we're not.
Yeah, hopefully Isabel's not watching this right now. Because I don't think she is, especially since we didn't tell her anything.
She doesn't even know we're Crimson Flames cosplay.
Oh.
She won't find us.
Oh. Okay.
It's at 8 minutes and 8 seconds.
Oh, that's like perfectly symmetrical.
Yes.
Wait, is it really?
It was when I said that.
You mean like we've been going on for 8 minutes?
Uh-huh. Watching you eat things for 8 minutes.
I feel really fat right now. Especially since I've been eating for 8 minutes.
Yes. You also eat more than I do.
True.
I'm skinnier.
But
Just to let you know.
But then I do karate, so. I am more muscly than you.
Yeah, well, you're gonna teach me.
Fine. Oh, look, it looks like a little dollop or something.
Yeah. E. The letter E.
You know what's sad? Okay, so this is really good, but it reminds me of the color poop. If they made a video about Nutella, it would be called the color poop.
We're making a video about Nutella.
Alright. This video is now supposed to call color poop. Yeah, they're dancing on TV, sorry.
Oh, man.
I was like, all of my shit again.
Intimate get-together? What the heck?
Where'd you say that? Those girls are really fat, Tristan.
Oh, yeah.
What do you expect?
Their chests are as flat as Isabella's head.
Oh, the one on the show, not. Yeah.
Yeah, Isabella, not our friend Isabel.
Yeah.
Did you know Isabel? Isabel?
That's funny. Ha 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 ha. Oh, I really should not laugh with food in my mouth. No, that's funny. Ha ha ha. Wait, I think you turned it off.
No.
Oh.
When would you think I did that?
Oh, maybe we should say bye then. Bye. Bye. Turn it off! Turn it off. What are you doing?
I'm using my camera. My camera.
Turn it off.
Charlie, why are you upside down?
No. Did it turn me up and down?
No.
Oh, turn it off then.
Charlie.
Bye, everybody.
No, Charlie.
Turn it off.
No, Charlie.
No, I finished eating everything. Ow. Now I'm like crapping on my face.
Ouch! Charlie bit me.
Oh my gosh. I wonder how Soul eats like that. Like, look. When he eats peanut butter would have like that.
I wonder what kid eats. I know he had like these symmetrical triangle-shaped sandwiches one time, but that's all I've ever seen him eat.
When he was at Maka's house, he ate the food.
That's true.
That was. I don't know what it was.
Me too.
I think it was like red or something.
I think she had salad.
Of course, it does have to be symmetrical.
Blizzard's manners.
You know, let's see if this sticks like it did earlier.
Blizzard's gas.
Oh, it sticks.
Not for very long.
Wait,
Try it again.
I know you guys are thinking this is weird, but
There's something sticky on that box.
it is. Oh, it sticks.
Dude, you have to let go.
Oh, it sticks. What now?
Don't touch it.
It sticks. How long does it have to stay on here?
As long as it can.
It sticks. It sticks. Behold the magical sticky thing. It sticks.
Behold the sticky box.
Can I take it off now?
No.
Oh, how long do I have to stand here? They're really getting on my nerves.
Hey, Blizzard.
If your mom asks why almost all of it's gone, we'll tell her.
Okay.
I mean, I'll just say that I used it on a bunch of sandwiches.
Hey, Blizzard.
Uh-huh.
What you doing?
I don't know. I'm waiting for you to turn the camera off.
And I'm waiting for the box to fall.
Fall, box. Fall. Oh, this would be like a cool dance. Like, get off.
It falls off when we don't want it to, and it stays when we don't want it to.
Get off. I can't. Can I touch it and take it off?
No.
Yeah! You can turn off the video now. Oh,
There's the box. There's the box, fell on the floor.
Oh, I'm not eating this Nutella, no.
Triscuits.
It's very happy.
We're at 14 minutes.
Then turn it off. Bye again.
No.
Why'd you say
Bye.